Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have some more camping meal ideas. If you've seen my other videos, you know that I have tons of these camping meal ideas on this channel, but what I don't have until right now is a video all about no-cook camping meals. So that's what I have coming at you right now. Here in Utah, we have like a lot of fire restrictions going on. So even when you're out camping, you can't have fires. And it's also really hot. So sometimes I don't feel like cooking over a camp stove and eating a really hot meal. So whatever the reason is, it's really nice to have a lot of no-cook camping meals ready to go. So hopefully this list will give you some new ideas. First up, we're gonna start with some breakfast ideas. Number one is just some yogurt with fresh fruit and granola. This is something that I eat a lot even at home, but I prefer Greek yogurt and I'll bring that in the cooler. I'll bring some fresh fruit like some raspberries or some strawberries and then either some store-bought or homemade granola. It's a really simple breakfast. This could even be a little snack as well. You can bring honey, cinnamon. There's so many ways that you can really amp it up and things that you can add. The yogurt is really kind of just like a blank canvas for a ton of different toppings in my mind. So that is a great breakfast idea to start things off. Number two is just a simple bagel and cream cheese. So I put some cream cheese in the cooler and then in the morning when it's time for breakfast, slice up some bagels, spread some cream cheese on there. Really simple. I'm off and ready to go for the day. If you want to turn that into even like a lunch, you could put some smoked salmon on there and some dill. So again, really simple, but that actually sounds quite fancy for camping, but it's no cook. Really easy, really delicious. Number three is just a really simple cereal and milk. So I'll pack milk in the cooler, cereal in my food bin, and breakfast is done. So now let's move on to some lunch and dinner options. So I kind of put all that in one category because a lot of these meals can be either lunch or dinner. So number four is pre-made salad kits. These are really easy to find at the grocery store. There's tons of different flavors and kind of varieties, and they usually comes in a little bag with the ingredients, and then there's some cheese usually or some croutons and the dressing. So everything is all in one little package. It's really easy to just assemble at camp. For a little protein, because I like to have like protein with most of my meals, so I'll add in some canned chicken or even some flavored tuna packets, and I'll just mix that right into the salad. So it has a little bit of protein, a little bit more substance for a dinner. Number five are turkey wraps with a bunch of veggies. And it actually really doesn't have to be turkey. This is one of those ideas that's really customizable. So you can do sliced deli turkey meat, you can do ham, you could do roast beef, whatever it is that you like, and I'll bring some cheese. I'll bring a ton of veggies, so do lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and just kind of slice everything up and assemble it into a wrap. I sometimes put mayo, mustard, or hummus. So again, kind of thinking through at home what you want to make, and then it's a matter of just packing that kind of stuff in the cooler and assembling out when you're at camp. These are one of those ideas that it's just really easy and fun for everyone to gather around the picnic table and just assemble their own wrap. Number six is a BLT. I love BLTs. They're often overlooked, and of course you need to cook the bacon, but I cook that at home and then I just store it in the cooler right on top of the ice, and it's ready to go for when you want to assemble your sandwich. Pack the lettuce, pack the tomato, and some bread, mayo, and you're good to go. Next up is a very simple peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I'm sure you know how to do that. Peanut butter, jelly, bread, boom, done. Next up is one of my favorites for lunch, and it is just tuna salad. So I always have some canned tuna in my camping pantry bin, and then I'll pack along some mayo in the cooler and make like a quick little tuna salad that I can put on a lettuce wrap or in a pita or on bread. You know, even add some avocado in there, some tomato, and just kind of make it into a really good tuna sandwich wrap pita kind of thing. Number nine is one of my all-time favorite kind of meals, and it is a charcuterie board, or what I call like a snack board that I kind of ends up being a bit more of a meal. So what I do is I'll pack some salami and some cheeses and crackers, dried fruit, nuts, olives, and I'll just assemble a little snack board. I'll put some hummus and some veggies on there as well. And I love this idea because it's just kind of fun for everyone to gather around the charcuterie board and just snack and eat. And I always eat so much cheese and salami and crackers that it ends up being kind of like a full meal for me. But you can layer on all sorts of things, and it's just a really fun meal idea when you're out camping. And number 10 is pasta salad. So this is one that does require a little prep at home, and really you can make whatever pasta salad recipe that you love. I tend to do oil-based pasta salad, and I'll make that ahead of time at home and then store it in the cooler on some ice. And then when I'm out camping, I have a really quick and easy lunch idea or dinner idea. And in fact, that's actually what Nick and I are gonna be eating tonight for dinner. So we just got here today and I made the pasta salad last night at home. And so dinner's already ready. I'm just gonna take it out of the cooler when we wanna eat, and it's just really easy. With the pasta salad idea, it is one that I try to eat on that first day of camping, just because things aren't really that good kind of the longer you let it sit, especially depending on what ingredients you've used. So it is one that I do try to consume that first day, but it's definitely a worthy option for this list. So those are my go-to camping meals that don't require any cooking when you're out camping. So I hope this has given you some new ideas and that you can really just enjoy spending some time with friends and family outdoors. Before you go, in the description box, there is a link to my camp cooking starter kit. It is free to download. And in the starter kit, you will find a camp kitchen gear checklist. You'll find a camping meal planner, so it'll help you kind of plan out all the meals that you want to make on a particular trip. And there's also some recipes. So it really is, like the name implied, a starter kit to just help you kind of have a plan for your camping meals and to stay organized when you're both packing and when you're at camp. So check that description box to download that. And that's, I think, it. Have an awesome day. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.